Hey tech enthusiasts! The foldable phone world is buzzing, and for a good reason. Samsung is about to drop its Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, and trust me, the hype is real. So what's new? How is it different from the Galaxy Z Fold 6? Stick around, because we're diving into all the details you don't want to miss. Let's kick things off with the name. Initially, rumors pointed to the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Sounds flashy, right? But Samsung switched things up and landed on Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. Why does this matter? Well, it signals that this version isn't just another upgrade. It's set to have its own unique identity. But getting here wasn't easy for Samsung. There were whispers that this foldable might not even make it to the market. Samsung aimed to create a super sleek design to rival competitors like the Honor Magic V3. After a few design hiccups, they pulled through, and now we're looking at a possible game changer. Just yesterday, a teaser from Samsung Korea gave us a sneak peek of what's to come, with a launch date set for October 21, 2024. But here's the twist, it's only launching in China and South Korea at first. Bummer for those of us outside, but at least we get a taste of what's coming. Cover display and cameras. Let's talk about the cover display. Word has it that the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition will feature a centrally placed hole-punch camera because, let's be honest, that's the trend these days. But what's really exciting are the camera upgrades. Tech insider Evan Blass hints at a revamped rear camera system, possibly a whopping 200MP sensor, up from the standard 50MP. Just imagine the mind-blowing photos you could take with that. This is huge because, right now, foldable devices aren't known for top-tier cameras. With Samsung's $1,900 folding phone having the same camera as the $800 Galaxy S24, it's about time for an upgrade, don't you think? Display sizes and S Pen. Moving on to the display, the Special Edition might bump up the main screen size to 8 inches, compared to the standard 7.6 inches. More screen real estate means more room for multitasking, perfect for app-juggling power users. The outer display is expected to be 6.55 inches, slightly larger than the Fold SIX's 6.3 inches. Now, a quick word on the S Pen. Some rumors suggested no S Pen support at all for the Special Edition, but reliable sources like Ice Universe have confirmed that the device will support the S Pen. The catch? There won't be a built-in slot for it, so you'll have to carry it separately. Not a deal-breaker, but something to keep in mind. So, are you excited for the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition? With a sleeker design, possible camera upgrades, and an impressive display, Samsung seems ready to step up its foldable game. Let us know in the comments, which feature are you most excited about? Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you never miss an update on the latest tech news. Stay tuned for more, and thanks for watching.